Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an TikTok affiliate video using AI. So here I'm on pipit.ai. You're just going to select make a product holding video. You can also do a virtual try on, and they have some characters and models that you can choose from here. I'm going to use, let's say, I'll do Cecilia, and then select confirm, and then to show a product you can choose from assets or upload from computer. I'll just choose from assets to show you guys what it looks like first. Let's do a natural eyeshadow palette. Select continue. You can add action details here, like that, and then a voiceover as well. You can choose a voice here. Let's do Ava in the study confirm, and then select generate. So right now it's free, but the next one is I guess 100 credits. I have 600 credits by just linking my account to my email. So make sure you do that and you'll get it for free. It's going to generate for a couple of minutes, and I'll be right back when it's done generating. Oh, okay. Basically, you're going to select from these three pictures on what video you want to generate. I'll use the middle one, and I'm going to select generate here. And yeah, again, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's done generating. I'm just going to select view here. This is what the video looks like. Is there even an audio to this? I guess so, but oh, is it even playing? Okay, it's playing, but I don't know why the audio is not on. I think I have to download it first, but this is what it should look like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and oh, I didn't describe what you want the avatar to say, but anyways, that is it. Make sure you do that. Obviously, this is just an example, so I didn't have to do that, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.